Welcome to Be Wellness Wise. You want to be a culinary genius, don't you? You want to cook food that will make people weep with joy. Well, listen up, because today we're diving into the heart of flavor country with 10 garlic hacks that will transform your cooking. Forget about bland, boring dishes. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills with these amazing tips that will leave your taste buds singing.
Listen up, you donkey. Peeling garlic shouldn't take you all bloody day. We're going to show you a brilliant trick, a chef's secret, to peel garlic in seconds using just a jar or a bowl. First, grab your garlic bulb and give it a good whack with the heel of your hand to loosen those cloves. Drop those cloves into your jar or bowl, seal that lid tight, and give it a good shake. The skins will practically fall off, leaving you with beautifully peeled garlic cloves. No more fiddling with that pesky skin.
Garlic paste. You want to talk about garlic paste? This isn't some amateur hour pre-minced rubbish. Get your peeled garlic cloves, give them a rough chop, and finely chop the garlic until it's almost a paste. Add a pinch of salt to help break it down further. This paste can be stirred into sauces, rubbed onto meats, or even spread on toast. It's versatile, it's powerful, and it'll take your cooking to the next level.
Roasting garlic transforms this fiery ingredient into something truly special, sweet, mellow, and utterly addictive. Take a whole bulb of garlic, slice off the top to expose the cloves, drizzle it with olive oil, wrap it in foil, and roast until the cloves are soft and golden. Squeeze out that sweet caramelized garlic and spread it on bread, stir it into pasta, or add it to mashed potatoes. Trust me, once you go roasted, you'll never go back.
A good marinade can make or break your meat, and let me tell you, garlic is the king of marinades. It infuses the meat with incredible flavor, tenderizes it, and creates a beautiful crust when cooked. Combine crushed garlic with olive oil, lemon juice, herbs, and spices for a simple yet incredibly flavorful marinade. Let your meat soak up all that garlicky goodness for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight. When you're ready to cook, grill, roast, or pan-fry your meat to perfection.
Don't underestimate the power of garlic in salads. It adds a zesty kick, a touch of warmth, and a depth of flavor that will elevate your salads from boring to brilliant. Mince garlic finely and add it to your favorite vinaigrette for a tangy dressing, or rub a clove of garlic on your salad bowl before adding the other ingredients for a subtle but noticeable garlic flavor. Roasted garlic is also fantastic in salads, adding a touch of sweetness and a mellow garlic flavor.
Garlic isn't just delicious, it's also incredibly good for you. Packed with antioxidants and nutrients, garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It can boost your immune system, lower blood pressure, and even fight off infections. So not only does garlic make your food taste incredible, but it also helps you live a longer, healthier life. Now that's what I call a win-win situation.
So there you have it, you Muppets. 10 garlic hacks that will transform your cooking from amateur hour to Michelin star quality. Now get in the kitchen and start cooking. And remember, if your food doesn't taste amazing, you're doing it wrong. Share these brilliant hacks with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Be Wellness Wise for more culinary adventures. Until next time, keep cooking and keep it delicious.